Happy birthday, Suraj.
Happy birthday, Babu.
Wish you happy birthday, Nana.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నాన్న. మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. హ్యాపీగా ఉండి బాగా చదువుకొని మంచి జాబ్ తెచ్చుకొని నీ లైఫ్ హ్యాపీగా ఉండి మాకు మంచి పేరు తీసుకురా.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Suraj. Happy birthday to
Yeah, happy birthday. I need 22nd birthday. Have a great year. You're such a lovely person and a human being to be with. I won't bore you with any more boring speeches. Have a great year and enjoy your life. Bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Suraj.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Suraj Anna. Happy birthday to you. Okay, let's just skip the song because I don't know the rest of it. So, you're quite weird presenting you this biscuit with a candle. I know it's quite weird. So, burn my hands quite a few times. For you, bro, for you. So, I think that you're entering your 22nd, but you're enjoying your 22nd birthday. So, enjoy it, enjoy the youth. I love you, bro. Peace, peace, peace out, peace out.
Happy birthday, Annaya.
Yo, Sai Baba. Wish you a very happy birthday, man. I'll let you have one piece of cake, no more. Because, you know, if you're gonna ride a bike, you gotta look ripped, okay? Cheers, man.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mansai. So it's 6th June again, 2015. So you're finally turning 22 years old. And I don't know, I have always treated you as my younger brother. And you have been a great companion in all the moments of my life, be it sad, be it happy. And I have cherished each and every single moment that I've spent with you. Of course, starting from standard 8, where we have been acting so foolish, especially in the economics class, and making fun of Sumitra ma'am, and then moving on to 10th, where we have had a torrid time with our Hindi assignments, and then 11th and 12th. Of course, you have been a great support to me whenever I've been being a little jittery over a lot of things in my life. And then engineering, yes, we started off first year, second year, and then as we entered the third year, we had this crazy idea of getting ourselves new bikes, and then the torrid 6 months of torture started off trying to convince our parents. My God, you were a great help to me during that time, Sai. Trust me. If it wouldn't have been for you, I don't think I would have got the bike. Anyway, and then of course all the bike rides that we have been through, and then I'm sure there are plenty more to come. And we still got one more mission to tread. That is, we still got to buy the 899 Pani Gali, right? Yeah, so I'm on for that. I promise you that we'll do that one day. And so you're off to Nikmar, huh, Sai? You just finished your exams yesterday. I hope all your exams went well. I hope your project goes well. And yes, I will work on your report. I'm sorry I haven't done that yet. So you're off to Nikmar for 2 years. I hope you have a kick-ass time in Nikmar. I hope it helps you to explore something more deep within you. And I hope you get to realize what you are really wanting to do in life when you are at Nikmar. And maybe the 2 years would give you some freedom to go out there and explore the world truly. Yeah. So I don't know, I just wanted to wish you a very happy birthday once again. You are one of the best friends I've ever had in my life, and I don't even think there'll be somebody else who will come close to that. And that's it, man. I just love you, man. Okay, bye. And best wishes once again. May you cherish this day of your life, and hope you have brilliant many more years to come. Bye, Sai. Love you, man. Bye.
Hey, happy birthday, Sai. Dude, as you can see, this is not the appropriate time. I've been, I have my exams tomorrow, and Akshay is like, come right now, and I'm taking this video now.
I swear I tried convincing him to come for half an hour. He doesn't listen to me.
I'm really sorry that I can't make it right now, but yeah, you know what? I don't know, I consider you as my younger brother, and
Aren't you elder? Oh yeah, you are.
I'm younger, dude. Like his birthday is like tomorrow, and he's 22 and I'm 21.
Yes.
So I'm your younger brother. I'm your younger brother. So yeah, I recall those moments when we used to drive by the bikes. Although you guys had ride by the bikes. So sorry, Akshay.
Yeah, last ride I took my bike for 1 hour.
So when we used to ride the bikes, and then we used to, you used to make up all stories, rubbish stories, and bring me into riding, convince me for riding and all that. So I won't forget. Waking up at 6. Making me sleep at 3 and I get up at 6. So I just can't forget all those things. And I've enjoyed a lot of moments with you, and I would wish that I would wish you do well wherever you go. Wherever, like Nikmar, I hope you do very well there. So that's it, man. Happy birthday again.
Bye, Sai. See you.
Bye.
Hey Sai, happy birthday, man. Happy birthday, Sai. What's up? Major engineer and shit. Okay. Happy birthday, bro. Have a good year ahead.
All the best.
All the best in Pune. Happy birthday again, Kuri.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, dude. Many happy returns of the day, man. And best of luck for whatever you're doing in life. And let's keep in touch, man.
It's really hard to make a video to wish you happy birthday without you knowing when you're almost always around. So I finally got some time. Here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Have a blast. I hope you have a crazy day today and an amazing year ahead.
Happy birthday, Sai. I hope you have a great day and an awesome year ahead. Have a blast at Nikmar. Happy birthday again. Cheers.
Hi, Sai. You're the teddy bear of a brother I never had, and I know you'll never get older. You will never grow up. But here's wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Sai Suraj B. Reddy. May God bless you with lots and lots of gold in life. Take care.
Hi JJ, happy birthday. Have a wonderful, happy, healthy birthday now and forever. Happy birthday, Sai.
Hi Sai, many happy returns of the day. Have a fun year ahead. Bye.
Happy birthday, Suraj.
Happy birthday, Hero.
Many happy returns of the day, Suraj.
Happy birthday, Sai.
Hi Sai, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sai, you've been a really nice brother to me and a really very good friend. And we'll be missing you a lot. And all the best. Keep in touch.
Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Reddy Garu.
Sai, Suraj, be ready. Happy birthday, Sai.
Very happy birthday, Anaya. It's been 20 years of togetherness, and you have been a wonderful sibling who's always supported me in all my happy times and hard times. You're this one person with whom I can fight for no reason, and you would just take it all. It's been great having you beside me at all times, and you've always supported for no matter what. And you'll be heading to Nikmar in a few days. I wish you all the success and happiness there, and I'm sure you'll do great as usual. And yeah, you better study well, because you're gonna be my future pocket money source. And happy birthday.